Hi folks, my name's Russ from Pro Steam UK. Today we're working in the boiling heat. It's 35 degrees outside. We're working in a house that's unoccupied, so it's safe obviously to work. There's nobody else in the house, and we've cleaned these wall carpets. We do these carpets every year for this lady, and as a surprise, I thought it would be a good idea to also clean the bathroom vinyl for the lady. They're good customers of mine, and I know she'll really appreciate this, you know, for the sake of 10 minutes, just to put a smile on the lady's face. So I've done that for her, and I'll post some pictures so you can see the difference.